Okay, good morning and thank you so much for having me. My name is Naufal Dwi and I'm really looking forward to chatting you today and exploring how my 7 years of editing video experience can bring some real value to the team here at the Google Indonesia. Okay, tell me about yourself. Okay, well, I've been working as a video editor for about 7 years now. My main vision really lies in taking a client complex vision and turning into the compelling visual story, usually leaning toward a clean cinematic aesthetic. Day to day, I'm pretty hands-on with the Premiere Pro, After Effects, and DaVinci Resolve. But beyond just doing the technical work, I always try to be a strategic partner for both the client and my team, helping to bunch idea around the find the best creative solution. Why should we hire? Okay, over the last 7 years, I've built a strong habit of not just meeting client expectation, but really elevating them through a very efficient workflow. I'm incredibly detail oriented when it comes to quality. If I were to join Google Indonesia, I'd be ready to hit the ground running, bringing in the fresh idea while keeping the editing standard expectational high for every project we tackle. Are you strange? Okay, I did say my biggest strength is the balancing technical side of editing with strong communication. On the technical front, I'm very comfortable with the Premiere Pro, After Effects, and DaVinci Resolve, but just as importantly, working with so many different clients has taught me how to really listen and the problem solve. I'm good at the taking complicate brief and figuring out exactly how to translate it on into the screen. What are you witnessing? Okay, to be honest, when I get really passionate about the project, I can sometimes get a big uh to choke up in the flow state and forget to take a break. It sounds like a good thing, but I know it can lead to burnout. So lately, I've been strict about using time boxing method and setting alarms for myself. It's been game changer for maintaining a steady rhythm and keeping my energy up for the long haul. How do you handle pressure? Okay, I find that I find that stepping away for the few minutes works wonders. Even just taking my ass off the screen to reset my mind helps a lot. I'm also a big believer in communicate with the team. Just having a quick like a chat with a CO worker or bunching an idea of someone can really help relieve the pressure and put things back into perspective. What do you want to work on? Honestly, I see Google Indonesia as a ideal environment to push my creative boundaries. I really want to be in place that set the bar high, where I can collaborate with the incredible talent people. It just feels like the perfect place to bring my idea to table and grow alongside a world class team. What do you know about company? Well, absolutely, Google is a massive pioneer in the tech, but what really stands out to me is how much the company support the global creator ecosystem. I know you place a high emphasis on the creative, exclusive, and working efficiency. This value really resonate with me and how I like to approach my own work as an editor. On Mystic Your Regret. Early on my career, I was I was rushing to meet a really tight deadline, and actually, I skipped my final detail check before sending the video. It was like so pleasant, but it taught me that speed should never come at the expense of quality. Since then, I've built a strict, multi-layer quality control step at the end of all my project. It takes a little extra time, but it keeps the workflow safe and practically error-free. What motivate you? What really drives me is the whole process of taking vague or complex idea and turning it into sometimes uh, visual and impactful that you can actually watch. Uh, there there huge chance of the certification in blowing a client expectation of the water. Plus, working alongside a sportive, creative team is something that just make me excited to log on and get it to work every day. What are your expectations? Okay, my best on 7 years experience and what I know I can bring to them creatively. I'm currently looking for something in the range of 2,000 USD USD dollar. That being said, finding the right fit is really important to me. So I am definitely open to discuss the entire compensation package to make sure it's elegant with your internal structure. Okay, thank you again for your time and for such a great conversation today. I really enjoyed learning more about the team and your vision for the future here. I've loved the opportunity to work together and I look forward to hearing you. Have a great rest of your day.